My name is Long Feng Wen. So, welcome to Cloudy Handbag Journal Companies. We are Group 2 and now we are presenting our Taxation case study. And these presentations include two parts. The part one will examine taxation system in Vietnam in detail, and in the second part, we tell about the case study of our companies. In the first part, we present about some detail of taxation system in Vietnam. About the tax policy system, we know that Vietnam tax system is designed with many different taxes regulating on goods and service, income and assets intertied in the economy. So this is some major taxes in Vietnam, such as VAT, ETs, import-export tax, corporate income tax, or personal income tax. In the next step, we actually talk about the task classifications. We can see in the table. Beyond the taxation method classification, taxes include the direct tax and indirect tax. And based on taxation basis, we have income tax, asset tax, and consumption tax. And finally, based on the issuing authority, tax include national tax and local tax.
My name is Nguyễn Văn Thảo and I will introduction of tax administration in Vietnam. First, we have the chart of Vietnam tax administration system. And second, we have the import and export activity tax administration system. Here are the import and export activity tax administration system and the domestic tax administration system. And second, I will talk about the case study of our company. First, I will introduce some information of the company. Our main service is producing bags and providing bags processing service. Our charter capital is 123 billion dong.
My name is Tuấn. I will talk about tax calculation. In the first assumption, can you see this is like at the custom office in both web road, the import price is 20 million Vietnam dong. Import tax is 2 million Vietnam dong. VAT of 400 web road equal 2.2 million Vietnam dong. Export back to free trade zone, export price equal 300 million Vietnam dong. And export tax is zero because we import product to free trade zone, so the tax rate is 0%. Other tax office output VAT, so 500 back to free trade zone, and the tax is zero. 100 bags as gift, the output VAT is 6 million Vietnam dong. 200 bags for promotion, and the tax is zero. 2,200 bags sold in domestic, the output VAT is 145 million Vietnam dong. Deductible input VAT 400 red row is 2.2 million. Second assumption, import price 6 million Vietnam dong. Import tax is 3.2 billion. Excise tax is 4.6 billion, and VAT is 1.3 billion Vietnam dong. Can you see the third assumption? Import price 45 million Vietnam dong. Import tax is 30.5 million Vietnam dong. Excise tax is 5.8 million Vietnam dong, and VAT is 6.4 million Vietnam dong.
Hi, my name is Phạm Thị Nhung and I will continue to the next part. Here we have three output VAT. First of all is 1,500 bags sold in domestic with 75 million, 500 bags to agency with 25 million, and 800 meter of fiber with 6.8 million. For deductible input VAT, we have 2,000 meter of fiber with 16 million. 2% sale commission is 200,000 dong. For the next assumption, because we import leather from other countries, so we need to declare our tax at the custom. So the import 200 meter of leathers is import with the import price is 33 million. Import tax is 6.6 million, and VAT is 3.96 million. We export 30 bags to free trade zone. So first is export price is 30 million. Export tax rate is 0, so the export tax here is 0. Import 10 bags back. So here's the import price is 10 million, but the import tax and VAT of 10 bags back is exempt. At the tax office, output VAT here is with the 20 bags to free trade zone is 2 million dong. 10 bags to sold to domestic customer is 600,000. For the deductible input VAT, 200 meters of leathers is 3.96 million. For the next part, we export to France. So at the custom, we have to declare our type with the 500 bags export with the export price here is 1.5 billion, but the export tax rate is 0, so here export tax is 0. At the tax office, output VAT with the 500 bags export is 0. The deductible input VAT, here's the 500 bags slippers is 1 million. The delivery expense is 150,000.
Hello, my name is Nguyễn Hoàng Đạt, and now I'm going to continue with this assumption. In this assumption, we import leather from US company to process export bags. So the import tax is exempt and the VAT is non-taxable. We export 280 bags to the US, so the export tax is exempt and the VAT of fee is 0. We import bags from the UK. The import price is 515 million dong. The import tax is 51.5 million dong and the VAT is 56.65 million dong. At the tax office, we have to pay import tax and VAT on imported material for 70 bags sold domestically. The import price is 100 million dong. The import tax is 10 million dong and the VAT is 11 million dong. The output VAT of 70 bags sold domestically is 8.4 million dong. The output VAT of 100 bags imported is 90 million dong, and the deductible input VAT is 11 million dong for 70 bags sold domestically and 56.65 million dong for 100 bags imported. Okay, and the next assumption, we buy 20 computer at Hanoi Computer, but we just but only 10 computer were installed and 5 computer were sold to Vietnam company. The rest is installed. After that, we buy 50 selling fans at Điện Máy Xanh, and however, only 30 are installed. The rest are donated to a Highland school. So the output VAT for 5 computer is 5 million, and the output VAT for 20 selling fan as a gift is 1.6 million. The deductible VAT for 20 computer is 26 million dong, and the deductible input VAT for 50 selling fans is 4 million dong. Next slide please. Okay, next, to conclude the VAT payable, we have this table. You can see that the total output VAT is 365 million dong, but the deductible input VAT is up to more than 1 billion dong. So the VAT payable is negative 1 billion and 147 million dong and 995,000 dong. So this is a tax we will be refunded in the tax period. And that is all our presentation to our Cloudy Handbags joint stock company. Thank you for listening.